The Song of the Willow Tree. In the bustling town of Brookfield, there was a small park known as Harmony Grove. The park was a sanctuary amidst the noise and commotion of everyday life. In the center of the grove stood an ancient willow tree, its long, sweeping branches creating a natural canopy that offered shade and a sense of peace to those who sat beneath it. The tree was known as the Singing Willow, a name passed down through generations, along with tales of its magical properties. Isabella, a young girl with a passion for music, lived in Brookfield. She was known for her incredible talent with the violin, which she had inherited from her grandmother. Isabella's grandmother had often told her stories of the singing willow and how, on quiet nights, it would hum a melody so beautiful that it could heal the deepest wounds of the heart. One summer evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Isabella decided to visit Harmony Grove. She carried her violin with her, feeling a deep yearning to play beneath the ancient tree. As she approached the singing willow, a soft breeze rustled through its leaves, creating a whispering sound that seemed to welcome her. Isabella sat at the base of the tree, her back resting against its sturdy trunk. She closed her eyes and began to play. The music flowed from her violin, a gentle, lilting melody that echoed through the grove. As she played, she felt a strange sensation, as if the tree were resonating with her music, amplifying and enhancing it. Unbeknownst to Isabella, the willow tree was indeed magical. It had the power to connect with those who played music beneath it, creating harmonies that could touch the soul. The tree's branches swayed gently, and the leaves seemed to shimmer in time with the music. As Isabella played, she was joined by a soft, melodic hum. At first, she thought it was the wind, but then she realized it was the tree. The singing willow was harmonizing with her, creating a beautiful duet. The combined music filled the grove, wrapping around Isabella like a warm embrace. The next day, the townspeople noticed a change in Isabella. She seemed more vibrant, her eyes sparkling with a new light. She shared her experience with her family and friends, but many were skeptical. Some dismissed it as a fanciful tale, but others were intrigued and decided to visit the singing willow themselves. Among those intrigued was Mr. Thompson, the town's music teacher. He had always believed in the power of music to heal and inspire. He took his students to the grove, encouraging them to play their instruments beneath the tree. To their amazement, they too heard the tree's gentle hum, blending perfectly with their music. Word of the singing willow spread throughout Brookfield, drawing musicians and music lovers from near and far. The grove became a place of pilgrimage, where people came to experience the magic of the tree and find solace in its music. The park, once a quiet retreat, now buzzed with the sound of instruments and voices, creating a symphony of harmony and joy. Among the visitors was a renowned cellist named Elena, who had traveled the world but felt a deep emptiness inside. She had lost her passion for music after a personal tragedy and hoped that the singing willow could help her find it again. With her cello in hand, Elena sat beneath the tree and began to play a haunting melody filled with sorrow and longing. As the notes flowed from her instrument, the singing willow responded with a gentle, comforting hum. The tree's music intertwined with Elena's, lifting her spirits and filling her heart with warmth. Tears streamed down her face as she played, releasing the pain she had held inside for so long. By the time she finished, she felt a sense of peace and renewal. Elena's experience inspired others who were struggling with their own burdens. The singing willow became a symbol of hope and healing, its music touching the hearts of all who listened. People from different walks of life came together in Harmony Grove, united by their love of music and the magic of the tree. As the months passed, the town of Brookfield began to transform. The once small, bustling town became known as a haven for musicians and artists, a place where creativity and inspiration flourished. The park was carefully preserved, and the willow tree remained the heart of the community, its branches continuing to sway in time with the music that filled the air. One autumn day, a young composer named Oliver visited Harmony Grove. Oliver had been struggling to complete his symphony for months. The pressure and stress had taken a toll on him, leaving him feeling uninspired and defeated. He had heard about the singing willow and hoped that its magic could rekindle his creative spark. Oliver sat beneath the tree, pulling out his notebook and pencil. He closed his eyes and listened to the sounds around him, the rustling leaves, the distant chirping of birds, and the faint hum of the tree. Slowly, he began to write. The music flowed through him, guided by the gentle influence of the singing willow. Ideas that had once seemed out of reach now came effortlessly, filling his mind with melodies and harmonies. Day after day, Oliver returned to the grove, each time bringing a new part of his symphony to life. The tree seemed to understand his struggles, offering solace and inspiration through its music. By winter, Oliver had completed his symphony, a beautiful and intricate composition that reflected his journey of rediscovery and hope. Oliver's symphony premiered at Brookfield's Town Hall, drawing an audience from far and wide. The performance was a resounding success, with many moved to tears by the beauty of the music. Oliver credited the singing willow for his inspiration, and the story of the tree's magic spread even further. As winter turned to spring, Harmony Grove became a place of celebration. Musicians of all ages and backgrounds gathered beneath the singing willow, sharing their music and stories. The park was alive with creativity and joy, a testament to the power of the tree's magic. One day, a young girl named Lily visited the grove. Lily was shy and had always struggled with expressing herself. She carried a small flute, a gift from her grandmother, but had never had the confidence to play it in front of others. She had heard about the singing willow and hoped that it could help her find her voice. Lily sat beneath the tree, feeling its comforting presence. She took a deep breath and began to play a simple, sweet melody. The tree responded with its gentle hum, encouraging her to continue. As she played, Lily felt a surge of confidence and joy. The music flowed from her flute, filling the grove with a pure, heartfelt sound. For the first time, Lily felt truly connected to her music. The tree's magic had helped her overcome her fears and find her voice. From that day on, she visited the grove regularly, each time growing more confident and expressive. Her music became a source of inspiration for others, a reminder of the power of courage and self-belief. As the years passed, the legend of the singing willow continued to grow. The tree became a symbol of hope, healing, and inspiration, its magic touching the lives of all who visited it. The town of Brookfield thrived, its community united by a shared love of music and creativity. Isabella, now a renowned violinist, often returned to Brookfield to play beneath the singing willow. She never forgot the profound connection she had felt with the tree and the way its music had changed her life. Each time she played, she felt the same sense of wonder and gratitude, knowing that the magic of the singing willow would always be a part of her. In Brookfield, the music never stopped, and the spirit of the singing willow lived on in the hearts of all who believed in its magic. The ancient tree stood as a testament to the power of music to heal, inspire, and bring people together, its song a timeless melody that echoed through the ages. The town became a beacon for those seeking solace and inspiration, a place where the arts flourished and the community thrived. Brookfield was no longer just a small town, it was a sanctuary for dreamers and creators, a testament to the enduring power of the singing willow. Every year, the town held a festival to celebrate the willow tree and its magic. Musicians, artists, and performers from all over the world gathered to share their talents and honor the tree that had inspired so many. The festival was a joyous occasion, filled with music, laughter, and the spirit of creativity. As the festival grew, so did the stories of the singing willow's magic. It was said that the tree had the power to mend broken hearts, inspire great works of art, and bring people together in harmony. The legend of the tree became a cherished part of Brookfield's history, a reminder of the beauty and magic that existed in the world. Even those who were skeptical couldn't deny the impact the tree had on the community. The singing willow had become more than just a tree, it was a symbol of hope, a source of inspiration, and a reminder that magic could be found in the most unexpected places. One summer, a renowned poet named Evelyn visited Brookfield. She had lost her muse after a series of personal setbacks and hoped that the singing willow could help her find her voice again. Evelyn spent hours beneath the tree, writing and reflecting on her life. The tree's gentle hum provided comfort and inspiration, helping her to rediscover her passion for words. Evelyn's poems, inspired by the singing willow, were filled with beauty and emotion. Her work touched the hearts of many, bringing solace and understanding to those who read her words. She credited the willow tree for her renewed sense of purpose, and her story became part of the legend. The singing willow continued to touch the lives of all who visited it, each person finding their own unique connection to the tree's magic. The park was a place of peace and creativity, where dreams were nurtured, and hearts were healed. As Isabella grew older, she passed on the stories of the singing willow to her own children and grandchildren. The tree remained a central part of their lives, a source of inspiration and a reminder of the power of music and nature. Isabella's legacy, like the tree's song, lived on through the generations. Brookfield, with its rich history and vibrant community, thrived as a haven for artists and dreamers. The singing willow stood tall and proud, its branches swaying gently in the breeze, a living testament to the magic that could be found in the world. The tree's song continued to echo through the ages, a timeless melody that touched the hearts of all who listened. In the end, the singing willow's greatest gift was not its music, but the way it brought people together, inspired creativity, and nurtured a sense of wonder and hope. The tree's magic was a reminder that beauty and inspiration could be found in the simplest of things, and that the power of music could heal, uplift, and unite us all.